My name is Elliot Daniel Perez Santiago, eh, and today we present project called VAM, Multipurpose Helping Stick. The members are González Lara Alondra Vanessa, Pérez Santiago Elliot Daniel, Pinedo Maña Moisés Natanael, Ventura González Eduardo, and Villanueva Sánchez José Manuel. We begin with the importance for our project. Project is important because in Mexico, seniors population is growing. In 2020, there were 30 million people over 60, and this number will continue to rise in the coming years. Introduction. The VAM chain is useful tool for elderly and disabled people in Mexico. It check vital signs, has an alarm and automatic lighting, giving users safety and independence. It also uses modern technology to inspire a positive view of a game. The timeline for our project is the following. In third semester, the project idea was present and its goals were defined. In fourth semester, basic software will develop with the knowledge we had to help the user be more independent. In fifth semester, the implementation of sensors to monitor vital signs started. And finally, in sixth semester, an application was proposed to complement the help for users. The calendar to the calendar of 2024 to 2025 started in August. In August of this year, we will recover all the progress from past semester to start fresh. In September, the team will plan the semester and organize the work. In October, new system will be implemented and we will analyze components. In November, we will do research and improve the first prototypes. In December, the team will present the second project and develop sensor in printed plates. In January of 2025, this month is to read and preparation. In February, we will develop the application with care connectivity. In March, the team will design case and structures. For April, professional PCBs are designed will be made for the project's final integration. In May, the team will adjust presentation and operation of the system. And finally, in June, we will participate in Expo Badis and present the final project with teachers or and other persons.
Encouraging the independence of older adults is honoring their work and highlighting their power to continue enriching the society. This phrase is important with ours because are the three primary reasons for creating this project. The firstly is the increased negligence of the elderly compared to previous years when they receive more attention of their families. This also involves the fact that canes are tool that was invented many years ago and have not been significantly modified since. For these reasons, we aim to innovate so that in the future canes provide better support to the society. And finally, the socioeconomic situations, not all older people can buy a smartwatch. Two, this is tool are advocate for this sector. The performance, in order to address the needs outlined in the project's introductions, we have decided to divide the projects in two main areas. Independent support, this area focuses on the promoting the independence of users so that they feel useful to society and prevent accidents caused by the user's physical limitations. The vital signs monitoring for this area sensors will be used to constantly measuring the patient's vital signs. This will aid to monitor the person's health. One extra plan that we have is the possibility to collect the pain data. This supported by the fact in 2020 the most common disabilities among Mexicans we are 44% see evening wearing glasses. However, we are particularly interested in the 48% walk, go up or down the stairs, as a significant population of this population requires a cane. At the 12% of all the peoples in Mexico are old adults. Is be composed for people older than 16 years are similar like 1,085,609 habits. This other graph provides more detailed breakdown of the age distributions of economical independence early individually in Mexico. The 43.1% are between 16 and 69 years old. The 36.4% are between 17 and 79 years old. The 17.4% are between 18 and 90 years old. And the 30.1 are 19 years old or older.
Now, about the development of to the cane is that the project has three key functions for the purpose, and these are circuits that will be integrated such alarm, automatic night flashlight, and vital sensors that, how the name says, we are going to measure the vital things. Now, about the automatic night flashlight. As mentioned in the introduction, that one of the mainly objectives that a kind must cover is the supporting the autonomy of the clients, since the humans do need to be useful within society, because a lot of people have to do a lot of things in nights, maybe hide a documents or similar, no? And as the philosopher Kant mentions, act only according to the maxim by which you can't at the same time will that a universal law be made. This phrase suggests that our actions must be guided by a sense of duty towards humanity. Uh, uh, that says about dignity and respect. Um, they need respect, and we have to look about the older people because they are forgotten about the people. And no, about this function that will allow users to move in the dark, since it will allow a light turn on automatically when they are in a dark environment, but if not necessary, it will turn on automatically thanks to the light sensor. Now about this circuit, in the first image, as the similar sunlight or maybe a good light or similar, no, cross around the cane, a phototransistor deactivates a circuit. For this reason, in the first image, we are looking at a light turned off. And for the second image, the light is turned on that could be regulated with a knob. This really is a potentiometer. Now about the alarm. It's a mainly function in the cane because it related with a panic alarm, maybe, that must be activated when the elderly person feels in some type of risk. For example, when the user blood or pressure drops, feel dizzy, nauseous, or when this person feels lost. Um, Maybe these are not all of the examples that we could be branding, but it's the most popular, maybe. Only have one function, that is made a sound that can be heard by the people around the subject, causing them to come to help the user. But in the future, it will be a designated and Bluetooth system that emit a simple sound, or also call all the medical servers providing information such as name, current location, address, the place where the person lives, and clinical data or of the subject. No, and finally, close relative. No, and the function of the circuit it's so difficult, but the photo that we can look is the actual alarm circuit with a switch that will be replacing for a push button is why the circuit only needs one hit there to be audible. If not, these never are going to turn off, and the button in the circuit for the user stay better than the moment when the button was present and finally stop the alarm. No, how you can see, uh, are so little but very efficient. Now, about the hair pulse and blood pressure, these are the mainly vital things that we are measuring, and at the moment.
One of the most important vital signs that we are going to monitor as part of this project is the heart rate. For this, we will use the MAX 3100 integrated circuit, a highly efficient and versatile sensor specifically designed for heart rate and blood oxygen level monitoring. This sensor is essential in the design of BAM, a multi-purpose aid can aim to providing independence and safety to elderly individuals or people with disabilities. Thanks to the compact, lightweight design of the MAX 3100, it can be seamlessly integrated into the handle of the cane, ensuring ease of use and convenience for the user. The incorporation of these sensors plays a crucial role in the cane's ability to monitor vital signs and provide alerts in case of anomalies. By using infrared and light refraction technology, the MAX 3100 ensures precise and continuous measurement, enable real-time health monitoring. This feature is particularly valuable in preventing health complications such as heart attacks, arrhythmias, or lack of oxygen, as any irregularities detected will immediately alert medical personnel or caregivers. Furthermore, the integration of the sensor into the cane's handles demonstrates the innovative approach of the BAM project. It provides a discreet yet effective solution to one of the main problems faced by the elderly population: the lack of reliable health monitoring tools that are easy to carry and operate. The project also incorporates additional features such as an automatic nightlight, a manual sonic alarm for emergencies, and connectivity through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to transmit vital sign data. These elements work together to create a comprehensive system that not only enhances mobility but also ensures the safety and well-being of its users. This design reflects the project's broader goal of promoting autonomy and addressing the social changes faced by vulnerable populations in Mexico, where a significant percentage of elderly individuals suffer from abandonment and neglect. By enabling Enabling better health monitoring and fostering a sense of independence, the BAM can represent a step forward in improving quality of life for its user and reducing the burden on caregivers and healthcare systems. These charts illustrate the relationship, well, the, the relation between blood pressure readings and time, focusing on how arterial pressure fluctuates during the cardiac cycle. It includes a formula to calculate the mean arterial pressure, which represents the average pressure in the arteries throughout one heartbeat. The chart also provides examples calculations to demonstrate how the MAP is derived. This value is critical because it reflects the blood flow to vital organs, ensuring they receive enough oxygen and nutrients. Additionally, the graph highlights how pressure varies between systolic and diastolic phases, helping us to understand the dynamics of blood circulation in the arteries.
There are the references that we use to talk in this presentation uh, are for the INEGI, and thanks for watching.